The price of a computer games console is $540. There's a discount of 12% for cash payment. Calculate the amount of the discount for cash payment. So first, our goal is to determine the amount of discount for the cash payment. Notice that they said that the discount is 12%, right? 12%. So it's going to be 12% of the cash price. Now, 12% written as a fraction is going to be 12 over 100. And we're just going to multiply that by the cash price, which is $540, which we put over 1. And so we have 12 times 540, which is 6,480. And we say 100 multiplied by 1 is going to be 100. And so we have 6,480 divided by 100, which gives us $64.80. So the amount of the discount for the cash payment is $64.80. That's the amount of the discount. Now we need to determine the cash price. Now the cash price is going to be, we're going to take the price of the computer games console. We're going to take that price and we're going to subtract that with $64.80. That's the discount. And so when we subtract them, we get $475.20. And that is the cash price, because we're using the discount. Because remember, there's a discount, there's a 12% discount. And so this is the cash price after the discount is applied. And so the answer here is $575.20. Next, it states that the hire purchase plan requires a deposit of $135 followed by 6 monthly payments of $82.35 each. Calculate the total amount of monthly payments. So we need to determine the total amount of monthly payments. Now, in order for us to get this, we have to take 6 because there are 6 months, and each month each month the person has to pay $82.35. And so we're gonna say, in order for us to get the total monthly payments, the total amount of the monthly payments, we have to multiply 6, which is 6 months, multiplied by the amount that has to be paid per month, which is $82.35. And when we multiply those two, we get $494.10. Again, we get $494.10, and that's going to be the total amount of the monthly payments, $494.10. Next, our goal is to determine or to calculate the total hire purchase price. Now, the total hire purchase price is going to be the deposit plus the total monthly payments. Now, the deposit, which we see here, they tell us that the deposit is $135 and the total monthly payments is $494.10, which we just saw previously. And so when we add those two together, we get $626.10, and that's our answer for this question. And finally, they want us to calculate the amount that can be saved by paying cash. Remember that in order for us to determine the amount that can be saved by paying cash, well, what do we have to do? We have to take our total hire purchase plan and we have to subtract that with the cash price. Now, what is the cash price? The cash price is $475.20, and the total hire purchase plan, the total amount of the hire purchase plan is going to be $626.10. So in order for us to get the savings, we have to do $626.10 and subtract that with $475.20. And when we subtract the two, we get $150.90. And so that means that the amount that can be saved by paying cash is $150.90. And that's the answer to this question.